Alright, today we're gonna make some Cajun style gumbo, which means no tomatoes. First we're gonna boil about 2 pounds of chicken or rabbit in 8 cups of water. Add some salt. I added about a tablespoon here. We can adjust and add more later on. Also add 2 bay leaves. Next we're gonna gather our other ingredients. A holy trinity, peppers, onions, and celery. I'm using 2 long sweet peppers, 3 stalks of celery, and 2 onions. Dice it all up and set it aside in a bowl. Now dice 5 cloves or more of garlic. Set that aside in a bowl. Now I'm going to gather up all my spices. And here we're going to have a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of a good quality smoked Spanish paprika. Don't use that cheap dollar store stuff here. 1 teaspoon of fine white pepper, and finally some heat. Traditionally cayenne is used, but I use some dried Tabasco chilies from my garden. 1 teaspoon. Alright, now gather up your sausages. I used 2 andouille sausages and 1 Slovenian klobasa leg, so I didn't have enough andouille. Cut up your sausages and sear them in the pot. After you're done searing, remove and set aside. Next we're going to make a Cajun roux, as opposed to a Creole or French roux. Difference being, we're going to use oil instead of butter. So about a half cup of oil in the pot, get it hot on medium-low heat, and about a half cup of flour. Stir, stir, stir. You gotta keep it constantly moving. This will take about 20 to 30 minutes. The longer you go, the darker the color of your roux. But you do not want to burn your roux. It will taste bad if you do. I go until my roux is about the color of chocolate milk. Once your roux is done, add the holy trinity of peppers, onions, and celery. Saute for about 5 minutes. Add some garlic. Saute for another 2 minutes. Add the spices and stir. Go ahead and add your sausage back in the pot. And now we got that chicken stock that's been going for a couple hours now. Go ahead and add that to your pot. Put the chicken stock and the chicken, give it a good stir. And then check the saltiness and adjust. You gotta taste, man. I taste during the whole process. Adjusting that salt or spice as needed. Now remove the chicken that you had in there with tongs. Let it cool and shred it all up. Removing all the bones. Should just fall apart. Go ahead and put that shredded chicken back in the pot. Stir and simmer for about 2 hours on low. Now we're going to add about 2 cups of chopped okra. Another 30 minutes, we are done. Damn, that looks good. Yeah. Serve over some rice or serve with some potato salad. Giddy up.